Hello and welcome to the Magic Pencil. My name's Andrew and this is
Julie.
And today we're going to be doing a tutorial on how to draw a
T-Rex.
Shall we begin?
Yes.
Okay. And we've got it landscape. And what we're going to do is we're going to start with the difficult bit, which is the forearms. So about here on the page is where we're going to do the arms, okay? So, can you draw like a backwards letter L? Yeah, so we do something like that. Can you do that?
That doesn't look like it.
It doesn't look like a backwards letter L. That was the closest I could think of. Yeah, that's great. Okay, now we've got to do the muscles behind. So we do a line like that. Okay, and then just here, we're going to go down, up, and along like that. And then we've got another muscle just up the top there, like that. Okay, so if we join that up and we do some little triangles coming off, there's the front paw.
Is that the leg?
That's it, that's the front leg, yeah? They've got little tiny front legs at the front. Okay, so now we're going to do the neck. So we're going to do a curve like that and like that. Do a curve like that. Okay, and we're going to do a straighter line that way. So what we're doing now is we're doing the second front leg. And then if I do a diagonal line like that, and then we do a curl round like that. And if I do that, there's the other claw. Okay, now to do the mouth,
that looks hard.
we're just going to do a line like that.
Cut.
Like that. And then we're going to join that up that way. Okay, so let's do his tummy. So we're going to do a diagonal line like that. Okay, and then we're going to do the leg. So I'm going to do it. Start off doing a diagonal line this way, like that. And then I'm going to do a little curve that way. And then I'm going to kind of curve out like that. Okay, and then I'm going to do a diagonal line going down like that. Okay, and then a straight line down like that.
How long are the legs going to be?
Well, the legs are pretty long. They're longer than the front legs because they run around on the back legs and they use their front legs to grab things. So now I'm going to do a curve like that. And then I'm going to do kind of like a, almost like a sausage shape like that. Join that up and then I'm going to do another sausage shape like that. At the moment the feet look pretty funny, but once we've added the spikes and everything, it will look...
Looks like a dog.
It does look a bit like a dog paw, yeah. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to do curve in a little bit and go up like that. Okay, and then I'm going to add those little triangles.
Now
which will
that
make it look a bit more dinosaur-like. Okay. Now here, I'm going to do another diagonal line that way. I've got really big muscles, so I'm going to do a diagonal line out that way, in that direction. And then I'm going to do a diagonal line up like that. Now at the moment he looks like he's going to fall over, so we've got to do the other leg, haven't we? So if I do a slightly curved diagonal line that way. And then I'm going to do another line like that. Little diagonal line that way, and then I'm going to swoop round like that, and then here I'm going to go curve.
He's broke his leg.
No, don't worry, it'll all come together, I promise. Alright? It does look like he's got a broken leg at the minute, right? So have we done that bit?
Yeah.
Yeah, so then we're going to do another little curve like that, and then we're going to do a line like that. Okay, and then just here I'm going to do a floor to hold his.
That looks a
It
bit
grips the
weird.
ground bit.
Looks
Okay,
weird.
don't worry, once we start adding all the scales and everything, it's all going to start coming together. So from the back here, I'm going to do a curve like that. Okay, now here, we're going to do another curved line following that one. So do a line that follows that way. Okay. And then I'm going to do the line from there joining up to there, like that. So that's the mouth. Okay. And then we're going to do the tongue. So we're going to do a little triangle coming out like that.
Do you want to stop?
Right, okay, we're good. Right, and then we're going to do little triangles for the teeth. So we're going to go. And then on the lower jaw, we're going to do little triangles here, like that. Okay? Now just do a little line like that. The tip of the nose. And then we're going to curve round like that. Slightly bigger curve. They haven't got big brains, but they've got a big brain there. That's all right, you're nearly done. You've got space. That's all right. Okay. And there's sort of like a crease here where the neck meets the body. Okay. And then we do the nose. So we do a little dot there.
Nostrils.
Yeah. And then we do a little curve around like that. And for the eye, I'm going to do a curve up there.
Happy.
It's a happy dinosaur, maybe he's just eaten. Right, so for the back, we're going to do an arched back. Like that, okay? Okay, and then we're going to have a tail coming out behind to counterbalance the weight. So that line goes off like that. That's it, and then this line goes along and joins up like that. Okay, so now we're going to add all the details which are going to make it look all scaly. Okay, so we need some lines coming off here.
But what about
like
this bit?
Don't worry, you can just join it up. Okay, so we've done do those lines that way. You ready? Now in between there's like a bulge in the muscles just along here, so we're going to do a line like that. And on this side I'm going to do little lines going that way. And then in between this bit I'm going to do lines like that. And then on the back of the leg I'm going to do lines like this, and then for the toes I'm going to do diagonal lines going along like that.
Are those scratches?
They're kind of like the scaly, warty skin.
That's a good idea.
Yeah, what's your idea? I'm going to put some claw marks. That's a really good idea. Okay, so I'm going to add some other little lines along there like that, and then on this side where the knee is I'm going to do some diagonal lines going that way, and then along this part of the foot I'm going to do curves going this way like that. Okay, now for the arm I'm going to draw a little line in there for where the bone is, and I'll do some other little marks along like that. Brilliant. And we're going to do some lines this way. Another little line in there, and we're going to do some more lines that way, and just under the neck, and do some lines like that, and then I'm going to do lines running this way where the scales are, so like that, and do some lines in there like that, so it's starting to give it some definition and some shape.
The scales on.
Don't worry, we're going to do that next. So first of all, just along here where the ribs are, I'm going to do big, strong diagonal lines that way. And just along the edge of the tummy, I'm going to do some smaller diagonal lines that way. Okay? Now just here, I'm going to do some diagonal lines on the tip of the nose. And just along the edge of the mouth, I'm going to do some more like that. Okay? So the next thing is we need to do like a V shape here, like that. And then in the eye, I'm going to do a little dot with a curve. Okay. Now what we're going to need to do is, now there's a debate as to whether they like a crocodile or whether they're like a chicken. They have little dots, big lumps on them. So we do some little half circles there. And then running along there all the way to the tail, we're going to do more of these. And like that. Yeah, and then we're going to do another set, slightly bigger, up above. And I'm going to do another row up here. And then just starting along the nose, I'm going to do like little half circles. So I'm going to go like that, like that, like that. And then I'm going to follow that all the way along down the tail. Okay, I think we're done. I think it's now time for us to start colouring in. Wow, what an amazing drawing. I hope you enjoyed our tutorial and please subscribe to our channel. Press the bell if you'd like to receive notifications and don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you like us. We also want to announce a competition which will be run until the end of September. If you send in a picture to our Facebook page, you could win this amazing book of how to draw animals. Post your picture into our Facebook page, which is Magic Pencil Art for Kids, and Yuli and our panel of experts will pick a winner. Thank you very much for watching and we look forward to seeing you soon. Bye bye.
Goodbye.